Today we're gonna make a 0 carb crust pizza for you low carb lovers trying to get that beach body ready. It's never too soon to start. We're gonna start with 1 cup of Colby Jack cheese, and we're adding 2 eggs into the cheese. So what we're making here is our crust. So now that we have the eggs and the cheese, we're gonna add a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're gonna add half a teaspoon of onion powder. And really you can put in whatever flavors you're wanting. We're gonna do half a teaspoon of basil in there. And then finally, if you want a little extra flavor, I have this sofrito, or if you want, you can just do red pepper flakes. This has red pepper flakes and a mixture of some other Italian spices. This is at Trader Joe's. Or you can put Italian seasoning if you don't have a Trader Joe's near you. Once we have all those ingredients in there, we're gonna go ahead and just stir all that together. We wanna get the egg mixed in with everything, because this is our crust that we are making right now, our dough, so to speak. All right, now that we got our dough nice and stirred together, let's get our spatula, because we're about to transfer this onto our pizza pan. So let's bring our pizza pan over. We're gonna have it lined with parchment paper, and just put your dough onto the parchment paper. Get a spatula so you don't lose any of that dough. There we go. Okay, now that we have it on the pizza pan, we want to spread it into a thin layer. This is more like a thin crust pizza. So you want this to be a thin layer on here. All right, now that we have our dough all flattened, smooth, and in a circle, we have the oven preheated to 350. We're gonna throw it in there for 10 minutes. We're gonna throw it in there for 10 minutes. All right, y'all, it's been 10 minutes. So let's get out our pizza crust. Ooh, look at that. That looks so good. All right, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna put this to the side just for a second. I'm gonna put a new parchment paper down. You're gonna bring the pizza back. And you can see this is sturdy, right? So you wanna do just a quick flip onto the new parchment paper. Like that. And that's gonna make it more of a crispy crust. It's optional, you don't have to do it, but if you want more of a crispy crust, you wanna flip it like this. All right, so now that we have it down, we're gonna start, of course, with our pizza sauce. I got one from Walmart, but you can make your own. You can get whatever brand you want. I got the Walmart brand. Okay, now that we have our sauce on there, we have 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. I shredded it myself. You can put whatever amount of cheese you want. I'm just telling you my measurements in case you want to try it the way I did. All right, we got our mozzarella on there, and let's start adding our meat. So I cooked up some bacon and crumbled it up. So we're gonna spread that over, because I like the meat lovers. I'm a big protein. Save some of this for later. And then we also have some sausage that I cooked up as well that will spread, crumbled up. Ooh, this is looking really good. And if you make a little too much meat like I did, just make another pizza. Easy peasy. And then of course we got the classic pepperoni. So just get that nice and spread around on there. Oh yeah, this is coming together real nice. And then we've got some shredded Parmesan. This is about a 1/3 cup. I don't know if I'll use all of it, but just, I know some of y'all like the measurements. But just go ahead and give a generous amount of Parmesan over the top. Ooh, baby. All right, now that we have that last bit of Parmesan on there, it is ready to go back in the oven. So it's still at 350. We're gonna put it in there for 10 more minutes. Then after 10 minutes, this is important, you want to put it on broil for 2 minutes. Broil for 2 minutes. So we're going to put 10 minutes baking, 350. Then we're going to broil it for 2 minutes. It should be ready. All right, y'all. Had it on broil for 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Ooh, look at that thing. Oh, that looks perfect. Ooh, what you think, sweetie?
It's so yummy.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I really can't wait to sink my teeth into this. All right, so let's let it cool down and we'll give it a try. All right, we've let it cool down. Let's give it a try. Look at that. Yum. Oh my gosh. No carb crust, people. All right. Oh, our daughter likes it. Let's give it a try. Mmm. Whoa. That is really good. Whoa, I can't believe. I'm impressed with myself right now. Y'all gotta give this a try for real.